guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, most of my makeup is already done except for my eyes. I do have some eyeshadow on, but everything else is pretty much done. The reason I didn't do my eyes yet is because today I'm going to be reviewing a product for you guys. This is a product that I'm very excited for because I love these kind of products. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the product I'm going to be reviewing today is by the brand MOSTORY, and I love their packaging, by the way. It's like rose gold and black. But so this is a brand that's on Amazon, and this is their eyeliner, and it has an eyeliner stamp as well. This is not a sponsored video, but they did send this to me for free to review it for you guys. If you guys are interested in this, I think it is $7.99 on their page, so definitely go and check that out. I'll leave all of that information in my description. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute and sleek, and it is their winged eyeliner stamp. So this side has the stamp, and I think it does tell you on the cap that it has the stamp, and that is what the stamp looks like. Nice and clean and sleek. And then the other side is the eyeliner. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. Oh, it's nice and pointy. I love eyeliners that are nice and pointy because they get right where I need to be. I love eyeliners and I love a winged look, and if it can be made easy, that is so much better, because a winged liner can take some time, but this will definitely make it easier. So I do have my eyes kind of done because I did put some eyeshadow on, so hopefully I don't screw up, but we're gonna go ahead and give this a try and see how it goes. Since I already showed you the stamp side, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the pen side, and it's going on nice and smooth, you guys, and it's really black, which I love. Look at that, that is nice. So it is a little wet, so I'm gonna wait for it to dry to see if it is smudge proof. But yeah, I do like the stamp, you guys. It's like perfect for both sides. That looks like a face that doesn't look too happy. So this is dry, and I did turn the fan off, but yeah, it's not going anywhere. It is a little, maybe it's not completely dry, I don't know, but it's not smudging off completely. But it does have a little bit of a smear, which is not bad at all. It's because I'm really rubbing on it, but who's doing that on the eyes anyways? I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try, and obviously you use the stamp side first. This is what the stamp side looks like. So it has the point on one end, and the other two is like almost like an arrow. I'm gonna see if I should just take that little line on the bottom and line it up to the bottom of my eyeliner. So like my eye line, lid. Alright, let's see. So it kind of like lines up, and maybe that'll give me like a better guide. So here we go. Whoa. Ooh. So I literally just lined that up, as you can see, to the bottom. Let me do the same on the other side. Hopefully that gives me the same look. Oh, look at that. It just went on nice and smooth. I love it. All right. So we're gonna line that up to the bottom line. You guys, look at that. It's like even because I lined it up. I mean, did that just work on the first try? Okay, so let me show you what I did if you guys don't understand what I did. So basically, you see those lines on the bottom? Actually, maybe it's easier to show it to you if it's on my hand. All right, need a little pointer because we're doing a little class right now. So, all right, I'm just gonna use the point for this just to show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna draw a line so you guys know. So you see right here, I drew the line that the end of that looks like. I don't know if I'm making this more complicated, you guys, but it's really gonna work because it obviously, hello, right? So I just lined this to the bottom of that, or whichever side it goes, and I just lined that. So when I say to the bottom, I just lined it up right here and right here, and it gave me the perfect little triangle situation. Does that make sense? Leave me a comment and let me know if that made sense, because it makes a lot of sense to me. And for me, I'm always trying to see how I can get like an even wing on both sides, because that is hard. So yeah, that makes my life so much easier. I'm so happy that worked. So yeah, so basically that little arrow, this side is gonna get lined with this, and the other side will get lined with that, whichever way the arrow is pointing. I'm so happy. All right, I'm gonna turn that fan on because it's hot. And the next thing we have to do is just kind of just connect it and make our little liner. Why is this so easy, you guys? Like, that's just perfect. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to bring this down. First, I just wanna line my eyes as thin as possible, close to the lash line, so that I have the line that I want. Oh, I love this because it's giving me like the thinnest line I want, and it's pointy and it's going exactly where I want it to. All right, so I did that. Now we want to connect the two. So you can connect it wherever you want. I'm gonna kind of just take it not from the complete point, but like kind of lower. Just connect it. Guys, like, I have a wing liner and it didn't even take me that long. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. You can make it as thick as you want it or as thin as you want it, and I am in love. That is so pretty. All right, now I just have to mimic it on the other side. All right, guys, so the eyeliner part is done. It was so easy. My goodness, like it seriously was so easy, especially because I figured out that little line thing. So I know that my 2 points are not going to be wonky. Like, one's not going to be higher, one's going to be lower. Like, that lined it up perfectly. I love a good wing liner, but sometimes they can take forever, or I put that tape on the bottom and now I don't have to do that. This is perfection. And I mean, that stamp, amazing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my eye and I'll be right back. Hi guys, so my eyes are completely done and I love the way they look. I just added some Samantha lashes to it so that it looks really nice and pretty and it looks finished. But yeah, I think that this eyeliner is beautiful. It worked out perfectly for me. It was so easy, especially compared to the last one I tried. So if you haven't seen that one, definitely go check it out. I'll leave a link to it up here. But compared to the last one I've done, this is so much easier, and it's only one pen and it's really all you need. And even though I had the fan running, it didn't dry out or anything. I think that this is just amazing. Making those wings on both sides for the first time, like, this is the first time I've tried this, it just came out so perfectly. So I'm so happy that I just lined it up with that little line, and I'm pretty sure that's how you're supposed to do it, and I make it seem like, oh my gosh, I have such a perfect idea. But I love how they did that. I love that little point at the other end so that you can line it up and you can get like an even application. But this is great for travel. I mean, it will give you a wing liner so quick. And I do wish I could have made it a little bit more pointy, but you can always just go back in with that pointy end and just like clean it up a little bit. But the stamp makes it so much easier. I mean, I think this is the quickest I've done a wing liner. So I always just go for like a smoky eyeliner look on an everyday basis because it's just so much easier and you don't have to worry about being precise or anything. You just smoke it all out and you're good to go, which is a look I still like, but I love a good winged liner look. It just takes longer, so I kind of stay away from it. This just made it so much easier. Like, you guys saw how quick it was just to stamp it and just line it. Like, I stamped both sides evenly. I think it looks even. I think it looks great. Like I said, I am just so happy that it was so easy. I was kind of hesitant because I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to screw it up. I don't want one point to be higher or lower than the other, but easy. easy peasy. If you guys are interested in this item, I will leave everything in the description. It's on Amazon, it's $7.99, and I think it's a great buy. On top of that, even the fact that this liner is pointy makes your life so much easier for application. So yeah, guys, that was, I mean, I still can't get over how easy that was. I expected to struggle a little bit because I did the last time, but this was just perfect. So that is my conclusion for the MOSTORY eyeliner stamp. I am in love, and I'm so grateful that they sent this to me for me to review. I will definitely be buying another one when I'm done with this one. If you guys are interested in getting your own, like I said, the link will be in the description. Definitely go check that out. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I would really like you guys to join my little YouTube family. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! It is smudge proof.